Mga tayo ko. Ano mga tayo ko gusto mo?
Skyline Pigeon ba?
Skyline Pigeon, your favorite song?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. No problem about that, man.
Okay.
Your problem.
Sit in front of me, man.
Okay, River, get up. Tara.
Taran Milos.
Wait a minute. Walang kaping mainit, okay?
You buy some coffee, man. Let's have a coffee break, okay?
Yung gitar ko, tutunayin ko pa. Tutunayin ko muna. Di pa tono to.
Joe, sayaw ka, Joe.
Okay, yan yan. Maganda.
Joe, sayaw ka.
Alam mo yung kantang yung bakla. Parang ganito.
Bay, banatan mo yung Bisaya, bay.
Bakla lang. Ako isang model.
Charing! Mga charing ba? Charing.
Ako isang model.
Hindi kayo sa video. Hindi ka ikaw lang si video. Ako naman ang video. Oh, ganyan. Oh, smell. Oh, sige, smoking. Okay. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, no.
Kumulukit batang.
Sabog.
Oh, come on. Hallelujah.
Yan, sabog sa bakla yan. Kahit tawang-tawa lang yan. Pero, kakanta ko.
Oh, sige. Kanta ka.
Skyline Figure.
John.
Roll pa roll. Kanta na. Tapos kung tayo record mo.
Lahat tayo kakanta. Sige, record mo mamaya ha.
Oh, mamaya.
Okay. Hindi ko nagkitaran ha. Skyline
Sige.
Figure.
Oh.
Turn me loose from your hand. Let me fly to distant land. Over grand field, trees and mountain, flowers and forest fountain. Home along the lane of the skyway. For this dark and lonely road, fragile shadows cast and gloom.
Oh my God! Continue.
In my eyes are mirror of the world outside, thinking of the way that the wind can turn the
Damaya
tide.
pagdala sa Subic eh.
And these shadows turn from purple into grey. For this is skyline figure, dreaming of the open, waiting for the day, and we can spread his wings, fly away again, fly away, skyline figure, fly to what a dream you left very far behind.
Sige, tabi kayo.
Wake up in the morning. Sunod. Sunod.
Kinampukino.
Ganun natin. Ano mo na. Stop mo. Yo, wag mo i-stop. Ano mo lang.
Pause.
You force you force. Okay.
Felix, nos ba?
Ba't hindi mo chinarge, Jay?
Di pa.
If December.
Okay na, pause na. Basta ba?
Wait. Di pa, hindi pa tapos.
Kanta pa ako. From this moment, kaya kakantayin ko. Kakanta ako. Okay.
Oh, balileng.
Kakanta, bidyon mo ha.
Bakit
Okay na.
bang puso
Okay na ba yan?
mahal na?
From this moment, the title of the song. Okay.
Tanggalin mo yung jacket doon para ano.
Oh my
Dito.
Tagapan to, tanggalin mo to, tanggalin mo yung brake mo, at saka yung gano'n ganda. Yan.
Okay.
Yan.
Oh my God.
Bigyan ka sa mga nagbibidyo'ng pangit.
Okay. Sige, kantahan mo si John.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment,
Sayaw ka
you
na.
are the ones right beside you. As long as I live, this moment I have been blessed. I live only for your happiness and for your love. I'll give my last breath from this moment on. You are the reason I believe in love, and you're the answer to my prayer from up above. You and I will never be apart. My dream came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live only for your happiness and for your love. I'll give my last breath from this moment on. Okay. Lady Expo. Just teach me how to doggy. Do you know why? Until you get the doggy. Okay na.
Okay na, stop na. Panood na natin.